Nithi namatshe manje. Nangu Phakela Mthakathi pha exakwe yinto pha bakwaNongoma kanye kanye. Eyazi imgolozeli lezi zibuya ngolala. Ndimbona apha kwenye shop apho uzama ukukhupha ezinye ichepha apha ezi foreigners. So izinkokheli ziyambuza ngoba emfo omdala. Into sikotela zona ezilozo sikotela zona uzithatha phi? Inkama la akwazi ukuphendula. You know why? Because ayikho lento ayithethayo. Unhlekisa kwenye uthi ubhatala i-tax. Ithi le chepha hayi nami ndiyibhatala i-tax. Uthi nazi invoices. Ubujonga leza invoices khona i-tax pha. Nale imxaki. Kubekho le masterpiece ke uzama uyokhupha enye. Ivele iprotectwe ngulo mnikazi wala property. South African by the way. Yebo. So yabona lento is just abantu bematch and match baclownish nje and lento yabo it's not going to go anywhere. There is no one, and I'm saying this, but akekho umuntu nyani in their right mind or believe banyani lento it's going to yield a result in terms of, first of all, in terms of addressing social ills in our society okanye uku-addressa ilentoza as Phakela Mthakathi puts it, but we are fixing the economy. What is the first thing I understand nge economy isebenza kanjani? Because in fixing it, uyabona nje besithi we are fixing the economy. Masenze nje into sithi ke simvuyisa kancinci sithi bazohamba abantu basi foreign nationals. The first thing I fanele understand is that aba bantu bakhe, abantu bematch and match, bafuna ukuthi take over as shops. But into engixakayo abanayo imali to run okanye to even start, and then bathi ngofanele babe government funded. Because kwakho umuntu okuthiwa nguPhakela Mthakathi wathi South Africa is so rich, umuntu ngamnye anganikwa 1 million, and so abantu ngoku in their minds bathi bazonikwa 1 million from government. Wakwayibona besenzeka lonto lo xa ungumuntu nje onengqondo le yemveli wakwayibona besenzeka uvela unikwe nje imali nje. Hey nansika, in order for you ukwazi uziqalela into zixelele ba ndizoraise mina icapital, otherwise bucimo uzodependa kwinto ze-funding and all of those manner of things. It's not going to happen. And I still reiterate lento ndisoloko ithethwa nami ndiyithetha that inkoliso yethu South Africa siyonqena. Asifuna ukwenza nto but siyafuna uba nezinto. And anikhathala noba kungathwani noba wenzani, you will never receive anything wakhange usebenze. Uyabona ungakhange ubile, you will not receive anything. Akho no amount of ilento za ukumatcha on the street uchila ungizwa but wathi ukumatcha singabi na results khathele lonto. And if uzosolo umuntu ofuna uyomatcha wena usolo usithini uyawuzilibazisa into ziyalibazisa nje because nje distraction nje abantu cannot think now bofanele becingelwe ngoJacinta becingelwe nguPhakela Mthakathi cannot think ngokunokwabo nje umuntu azicingele ngokwakhe. Umuntu akakwazi nokuthenga isweet packet esweet ezi1 ezi100 athenga isweet nge20 cents ucima ngarani ispass. Those guys ezi foreign ziyalo zenza zihlala pha shops zazo eziya azonqena uvula ngo6 kubetho mu6 zahleli pha. Nina South Africans xa kubetho 6 ngolesihlanu anisabona nobona umuntu odibana naye Monday ivunele lakhe but Tuesday otherwise ngezinye weekends azombona uzofuna emigidini eyosarha pha utshwala. So yabona lento ngokuba there's no discipline. Konqenwa nje abantu bathanda nice time party all the way. Phakela Mthakathi abananto abayenzayo. Umsebenzi wabo kukuyuza abantu bamafumana lento yabo. The more crowds zihambe emva kwakhe zimamela lento ayithethayo, it's the more funders zakhe zinyusa imali. Ngalamoto ayiphiwe uyiphiwe for this specific lentos kwathi ke indoda sekunika lento make sure so lena isebenzela lena igadi sonke sayo yabo xa iphelele na into ngo is going to go on to the next thing nina benigcwele izitrato nimatsha nizobuyela entweni because lento leyo ayikho sustainable le nto I don't care who says what ayikho sustainable too ngoJanuary yonke lento it will be a thing of the past and then umuntu engobesoloko ekhokhozela emva koJacinta uzazibona ufana uJacinta babe sethethe enye language uso wawuzambona uJacinta senikwe isikhundla esithile mhlawumbe kwi-political organization yebo nina ke nithanda izinto nawuhlala ke ningabo bantu niphinde nikade linye ithuba kula kuvela omunye umuntu nje nyama make siya ugada make ngoku umuntu azijonge yena masiye kuba ngabantu aba nzothina abahamba nomsinga so to speak know what as a person know what you want know how to achieve it have the necessary discipline in achieving lento uyifunayo because ayikho nanye into ongasoze uyifumane if you are disciplined there is no discipline and there is a matches because abana ngokukhona abantu aba opportunistic ngoku uvansi ba ku end up ngoku abantu befuna ukulutha and all manner of things because in reality ke zilambile izinkokheli zimatcha pha and umuntu olambileyo uba desperate and desperation umuntu end up esenza izinto they wouldn't normally do so make nyani madodana makhe ingqondo makhe ibuye ngo yeah it was nice masivume ke it was nice sileqa abantu but must sileqeni ngoyigoals zethu singabantu as individuals Jacinta noPhakela Mthatha baleqe zabo goals and it's got nothing to do with the country or the people but everything to do in lining up their pockets from funders that want to frustrate lento yonke nje first of all bafuna frustrate November 4 and number 2 bafuna nje ukudestabilize so that umuntu omnyama angadibani because the minute we are united as black people whether sisuke eCongo whether sisuke eNigeria whether sisuke up if sihlala because i-majority but ubuninzi bethu if kugcwele abantu who cannot think then we might as well sichithe sityiwe and I'm saying this lando la match match igcwele zin non-thinkers uJacinta non-thinker uPhakela Mthatha non-thinker nongizwe non-thinker and then non-thinkers times 3 yintoni engaphindi ibe right up hayi madoda